So we're going to boil the pressure cooker. We have some paper to line the bag, to line the pot. That stops the grain sticking in the pot. And then we're going to put the grain in here, and we'll put the lid, boil it, keep it for about 20 minutes, turn it down, and then we'll bring it across the swab and we'll cool it down in a big wok. Keep the lid on so it's not getting contaminated. So we will take the grain now, and this is just a nice healthy grain, and we're going to add it to the pot. We'll put a bit more boiling water in there, so I'll pick you up in a few minutes. And we've got grain, so we have 3/4 of a pot of grain, and that's barley grain, so a little bit of barley, and he's looking really healthy. And now I'll put a bit more boiling water in there, then I'll close the paper, put the lid on. You can hear it's already boiling down the bottom. And when it got really hot, we turned it off, and now it's in the processes of sort of losing pressure. And we could rush it and just bleed off the steam, but in the meantime we'll let it sit, take advantage of the pressure and the heat. We'll give it half an hour. End of half an hour, we'll put him in the dish. Nice and swollen, not too wet. Looks pretty good to me. So she's pretty warm at the minute. Just let that soak up the last bit of water. The idea is not to put too much water. You want to put a lid on that, protect it from flies, close the vent, and the pot's back on the stove. I'll do one more run. So I'll add a bit of water. That's probably about 3 cups of water underneath the paper and 3 cups or so in the grain, with 3/4 pot full of grain. Works pretty well. At the end of the day, no liquid comes out, so we're not super saturated, but we definitely saved from a dish. Most healthy grain we have, and this is our new grain that we just pressure cooked, and he's ready to be reseeded. So Fred's gonna do the honors, putting in all the grain. So this has been pre-broken up, but he's just gonna have to break a few lumps. So we'll just have a look in there so you can get a good picture of what's happening. Okay, then he's gonna mix that into the bag. So this bag's still sitting at about 30 degrees. Bearing in mind oyster mushrooms are a higher temperature mushroom.